Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can fix Roblox error code 264. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can fix error code 264 on Roblox. So there are several reasons why this kind of error occurs. Now first thing what you can do is in order to fix it, you can simply restart your computer or any other device that you're trying to log in. So sometimes restarting a device can also be able to fix the issue. If this is not working, then you can also close all of the background application, completely close your Roblox application. Now if you feel that you've already closed it, but sometimes it might remain open in the background, so right click on and after that go to task manager page. Once you've done that, from here you need to locate Roblox, and after that when you find it, click on end task. Do the same procedure for rest of the other application that you see opened. After that, continue this procedure for a while and this might be able to fix the issue. If this is not working, then what else you can simply check other devices where your Roblox account is currently logged in. If you have opened Roblox account in a different device at the same time, then this kind of issue also occurs. So what you need to do is you need to open up a browser, check whether Roblox is open in any other devices or not. I think that you not opened Roblox application on any other device, what you can do is, for the security purpose, you can just go to the gear icon or log in into your Roblox account, go to settings. After that, it's going to direct you to the settings page, and over here go to security. Once you tap on security, so right over here you'll be able to see that the devices that you're currently logged in. If you see a device that's not familiar to you, then you can just tap on the arrow icon and click on log out of session. Or else what you can do is you can simply log out of all the devices that you're currently logged in, and you can change your password. After that you can log in into your account. That might be able to solve the issue. So these were some of the methods on how you can fix your Roblox error code 264. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.